Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a YouTube link into your Instagram story. So first, let's try to add an Instagram story. Before that, make sure that you have copied your YouTube link. Then click on this plus icon at the top and click on story. Then I will be using any draft, or you may also use any particular photo or video if you want. Then you need to click on this stickers icon, and from here choose link. Then enter the YouTube link, so I'll paste it, and then once that is done, simply click on this done button. Once that is done, you can see that the YouTube link is appearing right here, and if you will click on it, you will be redirected to the YouTube. So simply click on this arrow button and click share. Just click on the done button and wait for the story to get uploaded. Once the story has been finished uploading, we will review it and see if it redirects us to YouTube or not. So here you can see that the story has been uploaded, and if we click on it, you can see that it is allowing us to visit the link, and it is opening up the Instagram and then YouTube. And here you can see that the YouTube has been successfully opened with this link. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.